Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a 5-minute plank challenge for you. This routine is perfect to do as part of a full workout or to do on its own as just a quick little challenge. So when you're ready, go ahead and grab a mat and let's get started. So we're going to start on hands and knees with a little spinal warm-up. Exhale to round your back, look between your thighs. Then inhale, drop the chest, drop the belly and gaze forwards. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the tailbone under, and inhale, arch the back, tailbone to the ceiling. Exhale, rounding your spine, and inhale, dropping the belly. Just one more like that, rounding your back, arching your spine, and then go ahead and find your neutral position here. Tuck the toes under, push your hands into the mat, and then exhale as you lift the knees to hover off the mat. Inhale, lower the knees back down. Then exhale, lift the knees again, maintaining your neutral spine. Inhale, lower, and repeat. As you lift and lower the knees, make sure you keep your shoulder blades separated, your neck long, and your chin tucked. Let's do last one here. Lift the knees and hold. Exhale, step back with your right foot, then inhale, step back in. Exhale, step back with your left foot, then inhale back in. Keep alternating here. Again, keeping your spine really neutral. Imagine you're balancing a tray of drinks on your tailbone, on your sacrum. Straightening the left leg. Back in. Let's do 2 more on each side. Think about getting the back of the knee up towards the ceiling. Really straighten the leg. Keep engaged through your shoulders. Last step. Back in, lower the knees. And now to come into your full plank, walk your hands forwards about 1 hand distance. Tuck your toes under, lift your knees off the mat, and then exhale, propel yourself forwards into plank. On your next exhale, bring your right knee to your left elbow, then inhale, step back. Exhale, bring your left knee to your right elbow, then inhale, step back. Keep alternating here, bringing one knee to your opposite elbow. Again, pushing into the floor to keep those shoulder blades engaged and set on your rib cage. Back of the neck long. Right knee to left elbow. Inhale, come back to plank. Keep going. Right knee to left elbow, then left knee to right elbow. Just one more on each side. Then coming back to plank for some side twists. Rotate open to your left arm to the sky, then thread the left arm underneath your waist, back up to the sky, and rotate back to center. Other side, rotate onto your left hand, right arm up, thread the right arm underneath your waist, back up towards the ceiling, and then rotate back to center. Rotate over to your left, thread the left arm through, back up, and then rotate back to plank. Rotate over onto your left hand, right arm threads through, back up, and then back to plank. Opening up, standing on your right hand, left arm threading through, back up, back to plank. Opening to the right side, thread through, reach up, back to plank. Inhale, open up. Exhale, lift your hips as you thread the arm underneath. Inhale, open. Exhale, plank, other side. Open, inhale, exhale, thread through, lift your hips. Inhale, open, exhale, hands to mat. Let's do one more on each side here. Pivoting on your feet, keeping your core engaged, keeping your shoulders engaged. And then coming back to plank for some leg lifts. Reset your position, then lift your right leg. Exhale, lift the left, inhale, lower. Exhale, lift the right, inhale, lower. Lift the left leg, lower, lift the right leg, lower, keeping the navel drawing up towards your spine. Keep going with your leg lifts, one leg, then the other. Last one on each side, right leg, left leg, then coming back to plank. Lower your right forearm to the mat, then the left, then come back onto the right hand, then the left hand. Other side, left forearm, left hand, right hand. Keep going with your commandos here, alternating forearm, hand, hand, and going right, left, then left, right, Right, keep going, keeping again that navel drawing in towards your spine, tailbone slightly tucked under. Now stay on your forms, drop your hips to the left and then to the right. Lift and drop to the left, then lift and drop to the right. Working on those obliques now, gently swaying your hips from side to side, going in sort of an upwards arc as you do so. Keep pushing your forearms into the floor to engage your shoulders. Left, right. Keep breathing on each movement. Last one. And then coming back to plank, coming up onto your hands for a high plank and just holding here. Last hold, navel drawing in. Keep pushing here, almost done. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then go ahead and bend your knees, lower them to the mat, and sit your hips back into a child's pose. Forehead resting down, take a deep breath in and out. And roll yourself up to kneeling, and you're all done. Thanks so much for joining. Don't forget to leave a comment down below to let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.